Hi, I'm Daniel, the Technical Support Specialist here at CiES Incorporated. This video covers the most common questions we hear from customers. We've broken it down into chapters so you can jump straight to the part that you need. Use the playhead to skip ahead or check the description below for time-stamped links for each section.
What do the wire colors on the CiES fuel sender represent?
Each wire on the CiES sender harness is color-coded for a specific function. Here's a breakdown of each of them. Red is your power wire. Black is your connection to ground. Blue is your frequency output wire, which is measured in AC hertz. Green is your voltage output, if that's part of your setup. The gray wire, if present, is a secondary input. This is used in the case of multiple senders tied together in the same tank. This allows the units to interface as one. In some cases, another secondary input is required. In these applications, we use an orange wire with a red stripe. This allows us to use 3 individual units together as one. A solid orange wire, if installed on OEM applications, is either for a low fuel level alert or temperature output. Any unused wires should be capped and stowed separately.
How do I test my CiES fuel sender on the bench before installation?
Before installing, it's important to test the sender on the bench using a 9 to 28 volt power supply and a multimeter. Start by connecting the red to positive and the black to negative. Now connect your multimeter with the black probe on the same ground and the red probe on the blue wire. Test the blue wire for DC voltage. This should fall between 2.3 and 2.7 volts, depending on your multimeter. Now set your multimeter to read AC hertz. Move the float slowly through its range. Check the blue wire for frequency changes as the float moves. If your sender has a voltage output, also test the green wire. We have multiple configurations using this wire. You may need to contact support for the exact reading you should see for your application.
What's the difference between top-mounted, bottom-mounted, and side-mounted senders?
CiES senders are available in 3 main mounting styles. Top-mounted senders are installed vertically from above the tank. Bottom-mounted senders are installed vertically from the underside of the tank, typically in applications where top access isn't available. Side-mounted senders install horizontally through the tank wall. It's worth noting that the placard is not an indicator of mounting orientation. For more details on this, please visit our installation manual.
How do I order CiES fuel senders for my aircraft?
To place an order, visit our online order form at sales.ciescorp.net or click on the quote request or purchase buttons on the top right corner of our website. You'll need to specify the following: the aircraft make and model, the fuel quantity instrument you plan on interfacing with. This handy tool will take care of the guesswork for you. It will show part numbers needed for your application and our current lead time. If your aircraft is not listed on this form, please reach out. Our engineering team may already be working on the configuration.
What should I do to prepare for installation?
A little prep goes a long way. Before you begin, run through this checklist. Remove the old sender and gasket. Clean the mounting flange thoroughly. Verify the hole pattern matches your CiES unit and no contact is made with any obstructions from the full range of motion in the tank. Remember that the placard is not an indication of orientation. The arm will typically swing in the same direction as the original sender you are removing. Inspect your wiring. Make sure power, ground, and signal lines are in good shape. Replace if not.
How much do CiES fuel senders weigh?
CiES senders typically weigh the same as the OEM units that they are replacing. Generally, they're around half a pound.
I already use a fuel totalizer. Why do I need accurate fuel level readings?
Totalizers tell you how much fuel is flowed, but they don't measure what's actually left in the tank. If your filler cap comes off or you spring a leak, a totalizer won't catch it. Real-time level data from the sender gives you the full picture.
Will CiES senders work with my existing fuel gauges?
CiES senders can output resistance or voltage, which may work with older analog gauges. That being said, we choose not to for the following reasons. Analog gauges are older technology and often part of the fuel indication problem. Matching our output to the expected input is time-consuming. This process may be cost-prohibitive for both parties. Interfacing with the original gauges is not certified under our STC. We hope this helped clear up some of the most common questions about working with CiES fuel senders. If you're still unsure about something or if you're dealing with a unique setup, please don't hesitate to reach out. The CiES support team knows this gear inside and out, and we're always happy to help you get everything working the way it should.